you can see. So right now, let me take you to the property that is just along Coastal Road and that is also going to enjoy this view. Let's go. The property is called Peak Bay. Let's go. This property is just, that's the property over there, and this is the beach. Now this property is along the Coastal Road, and that Coastal Road means that it will enjoy the facilities along this Ibejuleki way. We're talking about the international airport and the DC port and every other one that is coming up here. Dangote, Alaro City has many projects coming up. So as an investor, you ask yourself, where are people going so that you get there before them? And also you think when they get here, they will need homes. How do I give them homes? I'm talking about homes with good title, C of O. This property has C of O. So it's Peak Bay. For the fact that it's passing through the Coastal Road will make the value of your property skyrocket, because this Coastal Road is going to encourage lots of connectivity, accessibility, and it will create job employment. It will also give room to tourism. When these tourists come here, especially when your property is just facing the tourist attraction, that is the ocean, when you have a very beautiful apartment there for Airbnb, these guys will stay in that estate and they will view this ocean. So guys, this is a perfect investment for you, that investor who is looking to get lucrative return on investment on a real estate business. So this is at OKUN, AJAH. You can see the OKUN, or you can see the beach there, right? So this is real. It has C of O, and this property is based in a coastal road. I mean, this is what you should invest in right now. You can get 300 square meters in this property, 400 square meters, 450 square meters, also 600 square meters. 300 square meters is 17.5, 450 is 26 million, 0.5, and 600 square meters is going for what? 35 million naira. So make your 10% initial deposit, pay for 6 months, and you get this property in your name for yourself, for your family members, for your children. I mean, this is a generational wealth. And guys, when is the best time to invest? The best time to invest was yesterday. This is another best time because the coastal road is here. Here, I'm standing on the coastal road. So the first stage of the coastal road is going to be from Amedibelo Way all the way to Deep Sea, Lekki, Deep Sea. So everything is happening here in Lekki. So take advantage of this at this stage now. Enjoy the early stage. Work with us. Let's help you invest wisely so that by 36 months, when this first stage would have been completed to Deep Sea, you would have positioned yourself here for generational wealth. Are you calling my number right now? You should do that. Thank you.